Chogo, Big Barbarian, Big Gun Capital, Rest in Peace Maskewengu, Devon State of Mind, Block Shit, Lie. We're here.
Alright. Okay, it seems like he's running away.
Oh, okay. No, they're saying we should be moving.
Okay.
But I'm not moved by this nigga here.
Fez, introduce
He
yourself.
took out, El-Fez Kabangeneke, aka Majoro, mayor of 051 Hip Hop. Manga Wung Star. Call me Mahona Totli. Put any of these ill rappers in front of me.
Aye, for sure.
Yeah, man,
So,
I'm
gentlemen.
glad this nigga rocked up. Because I've been facing a lot of pussies, demo, naughty.
We never faced nobody. They didn't pull up. How you say you faced nobody who didn't pull up?
Oh, there are nobodies, right? There are nobodies.
Face off. It's a face off, my lady. I was just trying to block you.
Out here saying
I'm sorry,
you
my
face. He's out here saying
going
you
live
face
on
anybody. How you saying you face anybody who didn't pull up to your fucking bed?
Oh,
You know why they didn't pull
Delusional,
up?
motherfucker.
You know why they didn't
You
pull up?
being delusional.
You know why they
They didn't pull up.
Do you know why?
So how did you face them niggas? They didn't pull up.
Just like you, we had a face-off and they disappeared.
They disappeared. On
right
thin
after
air.
the face-off.
You know what
No, right
Demon,
after the face-off.
you know what Demon is, right?
Yeah, I know he
So why you didn't go to his house?
Man, go and rap outside. I'm not a
Yeah,
bitch.
yeah. Do
Nah.
that, nigga.
Look now who I'm with
Do
now
that.
because I didn't do that shit.
Do that. Do that.
Fulukaki.
Do that. Do that.
Now I'll do that with you.
Do that, my boy.
After I'm done with you,
Yo,
they're gonna say, now you see why I ducked El-Fez.
Over.
El-Fez. You want bars, right? El-Fez.
Where's the other name? The other name. The other name. The other name.
Bars, right? Chini nombolo, okay?
Nombolo yani.
Angithi ukhuluma
Mina
ngo-El-Fez.
ngibhinga baba, ngisebenza indaba. Ngisebenza indaba.
Ngicela uBrenwood mina.
Ngisebenza indaba lonto. Indaba enombolo, I don't do that shit. I hate cops. I hate snitches. I hate everything.
Man,
Wait,
you ain't gangster. If you hate
wait,
cops,
Nick,
you don't
wait.
have ties with feds.
Over.
Wait, you ain't gangster enough.
I don't need cops on my side.
Where's the car?
I don't need cops.
Then you're a
camera.
citizen then.
Continue this in the
He's a
car.
Next to
citizen.
you, agree.
He's a citizen. You don't need cops. He's a citizen.
Woo! It's about to be fire up in this building. Woo! Hell, hell, batlo Chukuliyeza na. Jo, tshwara phone ya gago da.
Sure, Bafwetu. We are back, Bafwetu. It's another face off between and Makrotman. Yo, Makrotman, these niggas have been doing this shit since before I was even doing this shit. But anyway, to cut the long story short, you can follow El-Fez on my right. Yeah, Chukuliyeza. It's the face-off, the official face-off. Follow us on Facebook with Urban Rebel Culture and subscribe to the YouTube channel Urban Rebel Culture. It's 05 to the world, baby. So Baholo, let's hear it, Baholo. It's been a long time coming. How are we feeling? What are we gonna see, Bandar? I'm gonna see a body. Okay.
I agree.
Agree.
And it's going to be dark in complexion.
I
Agree.
Okay, so that body
Came here dressing black for your food. Go fast. I don't take it serious. That's it.
He says I'm wearing all black. He's complimenting me. What else must I say?
He says he does not take it serious.
He's gonna die. He's gonna live, bro.
Why all these old niggas do this? Because they're older than me.
Yeah.
That shit don't work, bro. Ask Bullet Man what happened. All that you're older than me, but you say me ain't gonna work. No one can sun me. None of you niggas can sun me.
Yeah.
None of you niggas.
I wouldn't want to sun
That
like
ass.
you. I wouldn't want to sun
None
like
of you niggas.
you. Who said I want to sun you, though? I want to kill you, not sun you. Remember what we said.
Yeah.
What happens when someone takes battle of the night?
Yeah.
What happened?
Somebody's gonna retire.
Who's gonna retire who? This nigga's gonna retire me?
No, like you just
Like,
between the two of you.
no, you can't retire me.
Okay, wait a second.
No, that's it. You can't retire me. Why would I retire after him? You know how many battles I got after him? So I should retire after him. Why? Well, what, like he matter now to my life. Like, he matter to me now. He matter to me now. He matter to me now.
Talk to this nigga.
No, bro.
Face this nigga off.
Nah, it's out here wilding, bro. You can't retire shit. I will tell you, the niggas are retired.
Yeah.
You never retire nobody, nigga.
I retired El skis.
Who's that nigga?
Who's that
nigga? Doesn't matter. See? Yeah, that's it.
Dog.
And you're next, bro.
Never.
You're actually my stepping stone to the national platform. Thank you very much. You're a perfect stepping stone, bro. Like, bro, I appreciate your presence, bro.
Yeah.
Out here talking
He's
all this.
plugging me right now.
You're out here talking all this stone shit because you're high.
I'm at the apex. I am at the apex.
Yo.
That's it.
That's
it.
When you pay my
When I'm telling you, fucking up with your mind. I don't give a fuck about your life, nigga. Don't be out here saying, like, making shit up. I don't give a fuck about your life.
Why are you lecturing me?
Whatever you do with your life, that's it.
From now on, I'm nothing, I'm nobody.
Yeah.
You're gonna know me after this party.
Imagine. You're rhyming nobody with body. It's supposed to be fine.
I'm not rapping, I'm talking to you, bro. You bothered. You bothered. It's you. You look bothered. Bothered by who? You look bothered.
Not bothered by you, nigga.
I was a bothered.
It's a push and pull.
This thing out here, like, saying he's a border.
Yeah.
Ain't you? Your name is Opasandro, right?
Of course.
Yeah, that sounds so Nigerian.
Of course.
Yeah.
That green and white, let me say the job.
Sounds so Nigerian.
Bloemfontein.
And when you tell him he's a border.
There's a green and white kid.
Huh?
There's a green
I
and
don't give a
white
fuck about all
kid.
that
You're here
shit.
in the land of the green
I
and
don't
white,
give a
bro.
fuck about all that shit.
You're one team, man.
I just came here.
When you walk.
I just came here. I just came here to give you flowers on top of the fucking tree. That's what's going on.
Okay.
Shit.
If that happens, congratulations. If that happens, congratulations. What happens when the opposite happens?
It's gonna happen.
What happens when the opposite happens?
You saying if?
When? I didn't say if. I said what happens when the opposite happens.
What is the opposite?
You're gonna see today.
What is the opposite?
No, it's fine.
What is the opposite?
You're gonna see. Opposite is whack versus dope.
Away, bro. It's a push and pull, like I said, Ramon. So now in closing, I don't hell because like the hotel to killing them gas, but all sweat about food. And I don't wanna wear the raya. This shit is some fucking fire. I say it's the battle itself that is coming. Without killing the anticipation, man. What's gonna happen in closing? Who's dying right now?
Fuck your name, let's rap.
On record.
Fuck your resume. Let's see you got the pen.
Okay. Okay, no, in closing, it's just closing. Close this.
Hey, this nigga's gonna lose, yo. All this, my pennies, don't matter to me, yo. Yeah, it doesn't matter. All that shit doesn't matter, nigga. You can bring like 100 niggas with you. I don't give a fuck. You're still gonna die. That's what's gonna happen. That's what's gonna happen. I don't need no home advantage. I don't need none of that shit.
5 to the world.
You're out here being comfortable and you're thinking you're running shit. How?
Can you have a home advantage?
You here. You don't run no
I am the
shit.
king
You
here.
here.
I run this shit.
You run what
You
shit?
know what is Majoro?
You run what shit?
Yes, you know Majoro.
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 Hey, no Majoro.
Oh, yes.
Hey, no Majoro.
Ask around.
Hey, no Majoro.
Party.
Hey, no Majoro.
Matunda.
Indawo yake.
Ila.
Yake.
Uzengamila.
And you're gonna pay for everything. Literally.
Uzengamila.
Uba.
Show back to the world and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Yeah, Urban Rebel Culture. Follow us on Facebook. More from where this shit came from. I said, we do this shit every weekend. Yeah.